Hi guys, this is my first time doing a cooking video on my channel or ever. Well, okay, I lied. I made old videos, but this is my first one in my apartment. I'm not sure if y'all watched my haul videos. I said I'll try to do more videos on cooking because I have a tight kitchen. So here we are. So we just cutting up the peppers real fine. Some is not going to be as thin as I would like, but they will all get ate. So I think it was 3 green peppers, 1 yellow and 1 orange. We also have one red red onion and 1 yellow onion. I did not record myself cutting up the yellow onion because my eyes was burning at that point, and I hurried up and did it off camera. Okay, I'm inserting a clip of the video that I wanted to kind of base this video off of. It's not exactly on point because I wanted vegetables. It was 2 videos actually, so I'm gonna see if I could put both in.
So you're going to need to stop right here, save this recipe, because this honey garlic chili chicken was everything. I started off by seasoning my chicken. I had some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, soy sauce, honey, and also I'll list out anything that I've missed. Chili sauce, of course. Then I sear it in a pan with some olive oil. Once it's seared for about 7 minutes on each side, it's nice and caramelized. We now take it off the pan, and in that same oil we add in our fresh garlic and fresh chilies. And in the same bowl where we had our seasoning, add in some water to our pan to give us more sauce, and then we put our chicken back in. To now thicken our sauce, we add in some honey and literally leave it to cook for about 15 minutes and it's done. This was so quick yet so good and delicious. It was sweet, it was spicy, it was tangy, it had the whole balance. So yummy. You need to try it. I served mine with white rice and a cucumber salad, and it was chef's kiss. Follow for more recipes.
So I kind of followed as much seasoning and the recipe as I could, even though I'm doing shrimp, she's doing chicken, and I'm also adding bell peppers. I did not have any chili sauce, and I was not going to the store just for that, so I made do with what I had. I'm about to insert the other clip of what I've been wanting. One moment.
No kizzy. I'm about to put y'all onto this roasted pepper shrimp. This one right here is a hit, no kizzy. This is a super easy recipe to duplicate. I'm telling you guys, and the flavor is outstanding. So first we're gonna start off with these jumbo dumbo shrimp, season them up with this salt, some pepper, and hit it with that chili powder. Next, we're gonna take some bell peppers, an onion, and some garlic. We're gonna go ahead and put some olive oil over that and put it in the broiler until it gets nice and black on top. Then we're gonna take our shrimp, cook it on both sides for about 2 minutes. And after the veggies look like this coming out the oven, we're gonna go ahead and add them into a blender. Go ahead and hit it with that smoked paprika and that Sasson tropical along with that sun-dried tomato paste. Give that a blend. And then you're gonna go ahead, add some more peppers to the pan. Give those a quick saute, add your shrimp back in. Hit it with that sauce. You're gonna go ahead and mix that up one time for the one time. Then we're going in with that heavy cream to bring it all together. With that Parmesan cheese, and you got a hit in your hands. Cookbook link in my bio for more recipes. Let's get.
Okay, so as y'all can see, I did not have all the ingredients or follow the instructions how they did. So like I said, I took pieces from both. Like he had shrimp and peppers, she had the honey seasoning or honey sauce that I wanted. So I just combined the two and did my own spin to it, and now I'm showing y'all. I had to go back a few times and remake the sauce because I did not have enough, and I wanted it to be enough drizzled onto my bowl so when I eat it, like, it goes into the sauce, if you know what I mean. Okay, so here you will see that I'm checking to make sure it's warm enough or hot enough to put the meat in, because the last thing you want to do is put raw food into a unheated skillet. It's going to take forever, absolutely forever. So at first I was just going to do bits and pieces of the shrimp, like half, but I just dumped everything in. Like, I did not have time. It's like 12 o'clock at night and I have to be up at 6 o'clock in the morning, so I had to hurry up and get this done quick. Okay, after I added the water, I noticed a lot of the color and flavor has gone away. So off camera, on top of the vegetables in the next clip, you'll see that I added seasoning and some more soy sauce and honey. See?
So then, why?
After the second batch of vegetables cooked down, I added the first set and added the shrimp back to it, cut off the heat, and mixed everything together, and we're just waiting on the rice. Okay, I added 2 scoops of rice, I believe like a little over a cup of that, and then added the shrimp and vegetable mix on top. And this will be part of my meal prep for the next week. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all like this remix of the original video I posted in the beginning, and it was so good. I was tasting the shrimp before I even plated it, so it's a win for sure.